Happy Wednesday, to be mindsetters. Today is housekeeping and recognition. We definitely want to give virtual high fives to a few shining stars within this group, and we want to say thank you. Thank you for your patience. This group was new to us coaches, and not just because of the content being only nutrition based, but also because we implemented the feature within Facebook groups units, which we had never done before. And I'm not quite sure what we think about that. So don't be surprised if we reach out at the end of this group and get your feedback. As this group moves forward, we kind of want to figure out, do we want to continue to use the units? Does it categorize information well, or should we simplify things a little bit more? So thank you for your patience and for following along and checking in with us. Speaking of this group and its inevitable end, this is our last official week. I know time flies when you're having fun. So watch for a wrap-up post on Sunday. And then there are 6 remaining bonus week units, which we encourage you to take and do and tackle independently. But after Sunday, there will no longer be a daily coach post. This group will definitely remain open indefinitely. So anyone who is not completely up to speed or fell behind a little bit, don't panic. You'll have time to catch up. Still go at this at your own pace. For any of those that want to go back and revisit some of these awesome videos from Alana and some of the information, like I said, the group will remain open, so you'll have full access to everything indefinitely. In the meantime, I do want to recognize some people. We coaches like to give shout outs to those who really kind of step up. They inspire us. They contribute to the group. They engage with other people. That's what makes these groups successful. So we've had some great participation from a consistent group of you. So it was hard to narrow down, but we talked and came up with 4 that just kind of shone a little brighter than the rest, and rose to the top with a few things. So I do have some notes over here, so I'm going to look. Number 1, Wendy Stipich. Is that how you say your name? At last count, she lost over 14 pounds, which is huge, which means you're following the program and you're putting in the time and you're committed. So thank you. And you must be feeling pretty good. She bought a new business. She participated very consistently in our daily challenges and has brought some humor to our group. So thank you, Wendy. Kathy, is it Younger or Junger? Don't know how to say your last name. I'm sorry. You also have been very consistent and you've been tracking your weight daily. You are current on watching the videos, which is, thank you. High five. You managed to lose weight while on vacation. That is a win. And you passed up pancakes that everyone else was having and opted for a much healthier breakfast. See, those non-scale victories? That's what this is about, because that's what's going to help you maintain and continue this lifestyle. 2 more people. The next person is Robin Smith. She is another consistent person. She checks in consistently, shares her day, shares her struggles, asks questions. Last report, and this is a while back, Robin, so you might want to update me, but she lost 6 pounds. You've engaged with others in the group. Thank you. You stayed focused while on vacation. And I was personally really impressed when you reported that your husband was so supportive of you that he got rid of those chips for you. So, team effort. Well done. And then last but not least, this is a friend of mine, and I want to call her out because I know this was outside her comfort zone. So Jody Landgraf, I want to commend you for being a shining star. I loved that I saw a selfie from you on water tag. Thank you. I know that's not something you normally would do probably. You also you've chimed in, you've reported how your days are going, and you've engaged with other people, so thank you. You've tried out new recipes and kind of given us some reviews, and you are killing it with your water, which I know that you struggled with. Oh, and beyond that, you resisted 2 Amy's apples sitting in your refrigerator. So, well done. So thank you to you 4, but thank you to all of you for for helping us create this group and the atmosphere within it, and the no judgment and the positivity and the support. It's a joy to be part of. So thank you. Enjoy this last week. Oh, and just a heads up too, we will probably, well, I know we will, in the wrap-up post, we will be asking for results. So start getting that in your head, that we will be asking for everybody to share both scale, if you have them, and non-scale victories on Sunday. So thanks. Have an awesome day. This is fun.